G'day! In today's video, I'm opening up and replacing the battery in a HTC X9 phone. Now, I do believe there's a couple of screws hidden under here. I don't believe the screws are in the front. I believe they are in the back, under here. So we'll have to take this off to begin with. Should hopefully be able to use some heat on my blue mat, which is currently at 90 degrees Celsius, and also some isopropyl alcohol to hopefully soften that up. I'm not sure if this is made of plastic or if it's made of glass. Either way, I'm going to find out. Lucky for us, it is made of plastic. There we go. Take that off, put it out of the way. And we have a couple of hex screws there by the looks of it. T5, T4, T3, something like that. There we go. That is undoing it. We have a T4 screwdriver. Undo this one, undo the warranty void sticker, which it's long since voided. Now from here, I should have to remove the SIM tray. Nope. Now, I'll just remove the SIM tray out of here. By SIM tray, I mean SD. Yeah, I know, that was the SIM tray. Nothing here, blank spot. Hopefully with those screws out, I should now be able to pry this open. There we go, turn. Now, I'm not sure if this is a cover down here. Cool, no screws there. Something doesn't feel like it. Definitely being very stubborn. There we go, got it. One button did just fall out. Put that to the side. Next up is a battery removal. I'm going to just pry under the negative terminals and lift up. There we go. Now, due to the heat of my heat pad, this should be a relatively straightforward to remove for me. I'll just pry that up with this, push it down with that, take out the metal, continue with the plastic. There we go. One old battery. Does we have a build date? No, I'm not seeing a build date on there. Put that to the side, put the new one in, connect it up, line it up, push it in, reconnect it again. The cables are a bit challenging. There we go. That's lined up. Move the old foam pad over. Made a B. Go. Now I should be right to put the cover back on. Do need to reconnect the battery, the power button. Funnily enough, I'm not sure where it actually came from. In here. Here we go. Okay, in there. Fold it over. Put that out of there. Make sure these operate as they should. And from there, pinch the phone. This corner over here was the hardest one to do. Nothing fell out. No. I'll start in that corner. And I've lost that power button again. Bugger. there. Now I'd recommend before you glue this down, stick it on charge, make sure your new battery will charge. The alcohol should have dried up now, and that should stick down just fine, otherwise I can just put some more glue there. Right now I should be able to put the SIM card in, stick it on charge, and we should be right. Anyway, I hope that helps. Hope you can sort out your HTC One X9. I'll see you guys later. Bye.